Umunne Mundi Anambra, it is no longer news that Soludo has decided to turn Ekwulobia into Anambra's fourth mega city, alongside Onitsha, Awka, and Nnewi. This is the brand new Solution ultra-modern market and park here in Ekwulobia. 624 stores, structured spaces, and a place where traders can actually breathe. No more area with umbrellas sailing onto the main road. Back then, when the construction of the Ekwulobia flyover started, people were worried. Oh, where will the traders go? But Soludo has a plan.
Everybody will be moving to the new market.
This market provides a better organized and dignified place for business. If you've ever tried entering bus in the old Ekwulobia park, you would know that it was survival of the fittest. Total chaos, road congestion, drivers shouting, passengers struggling, keke blocking the road. But look at this: designated bus loading areas, proper lanes for vehicles, waiting area for passengers, and a controlled system where everyone moves smoothly. And Soludo isn't stopping here. A modern bus terminal, Nomozo, security buildings for safety, a fire station, because a city must be prepared. And all of this connects seamlessly, because what's a market without good roads? What is a park without easy access? What is a city without connectivity? And get ready, Ekwulobia is about to get its own stadium, concerts, football tournaments, and even cultural events. Nkabo, Ekwulobia Global. And let's not forget the Light of the Nation Tower, the tallest tower in Africa, a symbol of Anambra's progress, a landmark that will put Ekwulobia on the map as a must-visit destination. Right now, these stalls are empty. The park is waiting for its first passengers. But in a few weeks, this place will be alive. Ekwulobia is just another town. It's a mega city in the making, attracting businesses and boosting the economy. And guess what? This is just the beginning, because Solution has arrived.